Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Germanfancia, and if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel, darling. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the post notification bell as well to always get notified when you are posting new videos. Thank you guys for joining me again today. I love you guys. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be doing a review on some stylish glasses from a company named ZEELOL. So this brown, they actually did on varieties of stylish glasses for affordable prices. So they actually reached out to me and they wanted me to try some of their glasses, and which I'm going to be showing you guys on this video. So if this is something you're interested in, you definitely want to keep watching. So we're going to start first by unboxing these so we can see. I'm gonna be trying on 5 pairs of glasses. So if you know me very well, you know I love glasses, and not just glasses. I love glasses that make you look classic. You get what I mean? So each of these glasses, they've got a name for it. So I'm gonna put the name on the screen, so it will be easier for you to find it on the website in case you're interested in any of these pairs of glasses I'm going to be trying on. So guys, let's start by trying on. The glasses come in a little cute bags with the ZEELOL logo, and oh wow, so it comes with the most important one, the eyeglass cleanser, and this also has the ZEELOL logo underneath. Oh my god, I'm so super excited right now. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This is really cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. I love this. I really love this. Like, I love the fact it's so simple. Like, the simplicity is just everything for me. And I love that it has a pink frame, and it kind of has a diamond. Yeah, you see, this really makes it cute, and it's so classic. Look at that, guys. What more can I say? This is really cute, and this is gonna be one of my favorite. This actually goes with my outfit, guys. Oh wow. These pens are really cute. Gold and white frame actually goes with anything. It looks a bit bigger, but I think this is really cute, and this looks so simple and it looks classic as well. So this is super dope, guys. Oh my god, guys, I'm screaming. I love this. Come on, I will go for this. Look at this. It has like a fire frame and also a cat eye, and it has this cute diamond stones. Oh my god, this is really nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love cat eye glasses, and this is dope. This is really cute. I love the fact that it has just a gold frame, and this you can use for like every day, or if you're going out for shopping, anything. Just look at this, guys. This is really dope, and I love this, and I'm gonna rock these glasses like these are really cute, guys. These are really so cute. This has a black frame and also like a plain frame at the bottom, and I love the fact that it's giving the cat eye. And also I love this part of the glasses, like this gold part of the glasses. This is really cute. Mind you, guys, these glasses are so affordable in their website, so you go check it out and thank me later. So these glasses are really affordable on their website, so you should go check it out. And also the name has been listed on the screen, so it will be easier for you to find on their website. And also don't forget to check the description as well. I'm going to be putting down the website, everything you need to know about the glasses, the name and everything. And also what you need to know about these glasses as well, or this company, they deal on the prescribed and not prescribed glasses. So if you've got eye problem or anything, you can ask your doctor for a prescription, send it to them, and you get it sorted out. I can't really say much about that, but yeah, so come to the end of this video today. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know your thoughts about these glasses on the comment section. Thank you again for joining me, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.